What does Gilbert, Arizona and Shaq Diesel have in common? Big chicken, and we're here to check it out. Everyone's doing this fad right now. It's like a big trend with these Tennessee or Nashville hot chickens. So we're gonna see what Shaq's is jumping for. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if he scores a dunk on this one. So Big Chicken is a new restaurant. It just opened up about 2 months ago, right here in downtown Gilbert. So get on out here and check it out. They do have a bar too, so if you want to come get your drink on, I might slide over there and get a Blue Moon myself, you know what I mean? Me and Bump Ray try this out, man. Check it out, you know what I mean, Shaggy? Do it again, Bump. So the food is here, we're gonna try it out. They have pineapple cream soda. Pineapple cream. You see it? Pineapple cream soda. Sheesh. 5 fours. It's incredible. It's incredible. What are we gonna do? It's incredible. I got it with the guacamole on it. Let's give it a whirl. Really good. Has that chipotle barbecue. It's really good. They got a bunch of sauces. I don't even know what these sauces are. But we're gonna try one. Big Aristotle. It's a good sandwich. They got Shaq up on the TVs. Shaq's everywhere. He put some money into this one. For bumpers over here, we got the mac and cheese. We got the French fries. She's enjoying it. I'm gonna try the mac and cheese real quick. They do a Cheez-It crust on the mac and cheese. So they do the Cheez-It crust. It's pretty good. I'd give it a 3.5. It's not bad, but it's not like great. It's not bad. I'll give it a 3.5. This chicken sandwich, I'll give a 4.25. Can I do that? 4.25. It's my show. I can do whatever I want to do. You know what I mean? They do have a Big Aristotle. I thought I ordered that. I was kind of torn in between. But I got the Shaq Attack. Shaq Attack is 4.25. It's pretty good. Next, we're going to move into the Uncle Jerome. Now, their Uncle Jerome, that's their Nashville hot chicken sandwich. That's like the trend right now. Everybody's coming out with a hot chicken sandwich. We got a spot up the street, Dave's Hot Chicken, I think. I'm gonna check that spot out in a few weeks. I'll get over there. I'm not a huge fan of the new like Nashville chicken thing. They got a ton of them here in Arizona, in the Phoenix area. Bunch of them. Tempe has about 10 to 15 of them by itself. So this is kind of like a thing that's going on, but we're going to try it and I'll tell you how good this one is. Waiting for the spice to see if it kicks in or not. Pineapple cream soda. Like, that's a 5. That's a 5. This chicken sandwich gets 4.5. It's really good. There's a lot of really good restaurants, man. It's like everything I go to scores really high. And it's because it's really good. This is like your basic chicken sandwich that you get. Nashville chicken sandwich. Has lettuce, pickle. That's all it really needs. Lettuce, pickle, has a little sauce on there, and then it has that spicy hot chicken sauce. The hot chicken, where they get the spice from, it's usually in oil. And after the chicken's done deep frying, pull it out, you throw it in the oil, toss it, and then you got your hot chicken sandwich. Very simple, very easy. And everyone's doing it. And you usually serve it with the lettuce, with the pickle. I've seen it with tomato on it. You know, a little mayo. This is good. I'd give this a 4.5. Let's try the French fries too. Fries are alright. I'd get a fries at 3.5. That's low for French fries. I feel like French fries should always be in the 4s. But I'll give it a 3.5. And then we're gonna do this. You know what I mean? The true foodie in me comes out. French fry, mac and cheese. So the Shaq Attack. Shaq Attack's pretty good. These are basic sandwiches. These are very easy sandwiches to make. Any restaurant could really mass produce these very easily. Very inexpensive. It's chicken breast, deep fried. I don't know if they bread it here themselves or if it comes already breaded. Probably comes already breaded. But I wouldn't be surprised if they breaded it themselves. Dunk it in some oil, and it's done. Very easy peasy. That's how it get down, you know what I mean? Great spot, I really like this place. Shout out. Nice people here. People at the front were very nice. Got the food fairly fast. Probably took 5-6 minutes maybe. Mac and cheese ain't that bad. I gave it a 3.5, but I'm gonna give it a 3.75. Dig me. Let me show you something real quick. Y'all don't remember that. Y'all don't remember that. NBA Jam though? It's gotta be Shaquille's spot. You know what I mean? So listen, Fitz final thought. This place is really good. I enjoyed it. Tried 2 of their sandwiches. They do have more sandwiches. They probably have like 5 or 6 more different kinds of sandwiches you can get. They have salads. Like I said, they have a full bar, liquor, beer. They have Blue Moon. I was tempted to get one, but I'm driving, so I'm not. But yeah, that's what it is, man. Come down here. Excuse me. If you're in the Gilbert area, come out here and check it out, man. But yo, Shaq, place is popping, kid. Good looking. Ricky's Raw Reviews. Last bite. Shaq, you scored a slam dunk on this one.